At the dentist. It's never a fun thing. Doesn't matter where you go, it's never a fun thing. But this place is great. Little water, massive TV. She's got all the supplies. Has me laid back in this chair. I think it's gonna be okay. I'm nervous. Dentists are never fun. But this one had the best reviews. We'll see what happens. John's in the other room.
So I had a snafu with my tooth. And I am in Siem Reap getting it fixed with lady doctors who are just awesome. We'll see what happens. 9:48 a.m.
So we just went to Cambodia Dental. They were fantastic. Number one, they didn't even charge us for our x-rays. And they had the like zoom zoom all the way around your head that you get in the United States. And then did the teeth cleaning for me for $20 and like drilled some sharp edges I had on my teeth for free. And for you,
For me, last night, I lost a tooth.
came right out.
It came right out. It's a crown. It was been in there for 25 years. And so I was missing this tooth, which is now, they've got a temporary in there. So for $39, what they did was, it was all exposed, right? So they root canaled the canal that had the post. I have to come back in a couple of days so they can finish, because it's got to heal some. And that whole process, $39 US. Again, they did the whole modern x-ray all around, which
was free.
In the United States, that it was just the x-ray alone is
Eats up your entire deductible.
And then this would have been, I mean, because I've had crowns done. I mean, minimum $750 to $1,500 per tooth.
Yeah. So for $59, we had 2 x-rays, teeth cleaning, sharp edges taken off,
Yeah.
a temporary tooth put in, part of a root canal, and we come back on Saturday.
And then the whole crown, to redo it, they gave me the choice. We can do metal like yours from 25 years ago, $150, or technology has leveled up. Now they can do an all porcelain crown for $300. The whole thing.
Listen, that's why you need to come to Cambodia.
Yeah.
And this place was amazing and clean, and
Well,
everybody was wonderful.
And this is why you don't need to sweat insurance as hard as you think you do, because medical outside of North America is definitely more, hey, we're only going to do what you need, but we're not going, like, the costs. I feel like we're in 1950 United States, and they're like, hey, we're only going to do what we have to do, and it doesn't cost an arm and a leg.
Crazy. We'll let you know how it goes on Saturday.
Yeah.
Bye.